Oh shit! I think I'm gonna have to pull over. The lug nut fell off. Oh. CHP! God damn. Oh my god! First try. It was the first try. It was. I'm a little parched. Let me get first drive in the Civic. Let's hope all goes well, which I think will. Like a little bugger. I think I just took this wrong already. Ah shit. Not for sure. I don't know how much of the noise you're gonna be able to hear, but I will hear a lot of these noises. A lot of this movement, a lot of shaking, a lot of draking. Anyways, right now we're on our way. Since this is our first drive, we're just gonna kind of document how it goes. But we're on our way right now. I'm on my way to go to drop off. I got a bottom block for a car that I'm fixing up in the behind the scenes. You guys won't see that car for like another month or two probably. Maybe month, I want to say month, but for sure it's gonna be like a little while until anybody sees that car. Like that car's gonna get revealed once it's completely done. But for right now, we gotta go take this motor, this engine, to the machine shop. We're going to the machine shop. Let's go. Ooh. This camera, I think it might hold it. Don't shake it too much. It's shaking. It feels like it's shaking a lot. Like, nah, that's just like stiff suspension that just. Someone on Instagram particularly is getting really popular because they're shifting their automatic. This is an automatic, so I'm gonna start shifting this automatic. Try to feel like, oh shit! What was that? I just heard something like fucking fly, and my mic just fell off. Oh my god! What's going on? I don't know if a rock flew off or a lug nut fell off or oh fuck. Oh my god. Ah! My microphone fell off too, you guys. What's going on? I think I'm gonna have to pull over. Now I'm getting a little scared, and we have to fix up all this. The thing is, there's nowhere for me to pull over right now. I missed all the exits. Oh, I actually might have an exit coming up. Alright, we're gonna have to get off right here. Hopefully we can make it up this little hill right here. Yep. We're good right there. We're good. There we go. We are okay. Alright, everything was okay. There's nothing that showed. No lug nut fell off, luckily. Nothing else though that I saw that could potentially be. So for now we're just gonna keep on going. Anything happens, you know, it is what it is. This is the life we chose. I'm going around. Let's get the show on the road. Let's get to our destination and then we'll kind of go from there. Shifting into neutral. And then I'll shift to first right now. Watch, you guys. I'm gonna shift to first. Hopefully it doesn't stall out. I stalled out. I stalled out, you guys. This guy. Okay. Oh, a lot of scraping. Ooh, CHP. God damn. We're going, people. The sun's hitting really hard. It's probably not the greatest shot ever, but we're going. Just a lot of noise and a lot of banging. This AC was blowing cold. My face is cold. My face is cold. Goddamn. We're looking for the machine shop that was recommended to us. That got really good deals, really good prices. You know, because we need, you know, pack of change. You know. So we're gonna go. We're waiting for the text back from the guy Manny. So in the meantime, I'm gonna hit up the Starbucks drive-thru. And then maybe after the gas station, we'll get some gas station pics, some gas station video, you know. I'll hit those little bumps. I'm in neutral! The car's been good though. It's been good. It's been going good. Driving an automatic. But right here we might have a couple speed bumps. We'll see. I don't think we do though. It's good. We're gonna take this one just to see how much we hit. Just straightforward. Not that much. Like teeny weeny pepperoni. Teeny weeny pepperoni. Thank you. Alright, let's get our Starbucks. Let's see how much lower we are to compare to the window. To the window! To the wall! Can I get a salted caramel cream cold brew? Grande?
Thank you.
Thank you. I'm whatevs. I'm almost at height. I actually went a little too far forward. Now we just wait. Thank you. You too. Isn't even for me. And not even for me. Alright, so we got the address. We're gonna head to the gas station first and then we're gonna go to the spot. Just because the gas station is first and then after that, it's right there. They're really close to each other. It's pretty funny. It's actually really close to my house. So, gas station, machine shop. Let's go. This is how the Civic is looking. We got the gas station. We're gonna get that gas station video. Woo! She's looking crisp. She's not looking too bad, not gonna lie. This guy over here is about to hit me and shit. Camber pues mo. ¿Cómo se dice? No, son los camber arms. Camber arms. Camber arms y coilovers. Lo bajamos más.
¿No tienes un botón para subirla?
No, ese está.
No, tenía un Mustang y la subía y la bajaba.
Sí, ese es el airlift suspension. Ajá, sí. No tengo botón, nomás es así.
Entonces, one time though.
Yeah.
Ya
One
se quedaba
time.
arriba. Ya la bajaba, cuando llegaba, ya la bajaba.
Yeah.
Cuando llegaba, la subía.
Yeah, airlift suspension. To be quick, just because I wasn't gonna hold the gas station's hella busy. I wasn't gonna hold up the whole gas station for my videos. Oh, too low. Oh, alright. So I got that little bit of video. Hopefully it's enough. I don't think it's enough, but anyways, let's go to the machine shop. Alright, I'm here. Oh shit, this thing moved around a lot. Goddamn. Alright guys, we got that done. I'm excited for that one right there. It's gonna be a cool one. It's a whole project within itself. Just like a main thing, I'm rebuilding a whole motor. If you know, you know. I've put this out there before, but a lot of people probably watching now don't really know. So if you know, you know. Guys, this thing looks beautiful and amazing in the sun, and it only complements it even more. But we made it home, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.